In this video, I'll show you how to add manual activity on Strava. Alright, so here we are on the Strava home screen, and what you want to do is click on the plus icon. Then what you're going to do is click on manual activity, and here you are going to put in your run title. Then from there, you're going to put in information about your run. That is optional. You can also add people. Next, you can choose if this is a run, a walk, a bicycle ride, whatever it is. And then you can add photos and videos. Next, you need to add a few activity stats. So when you did the activity, what time, what distance, and so forth. Then you can add in some extra details. So you can add activity tags and how the activity felt, as well as the gear you're wearing. Then you can set the visibility. So do you want everyone to see this or only you? And from there, you can just hit save. Now, after a few minutes, your activity will pop up. Give it some time because it doesn't always pop up immediately. And that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the link. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.